Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to host a Google Meet meeting on your computer. This is super easy and great for online classes, team meetings, or catching up with friends. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not, click Sign In at the top right corner and log in with your Gmail. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, click on New Meeting. You'll see three options: Create a meeting for later, Start an instant meeting, and Schedule in Google Calendar. If you want to begin right now, click Start an instant meeting. Google Meet will immediately open your meeting window. If your browser asks for permission to use your camera and microphone, click Allow. You'll now see yourself on screen, and at the bottom, you'll have options to mute your mic, turn off your camera, turn on captions, and access more settings with a three-dot menu. A small pop-up box will appear, showing your meeting link. This is your invite link. Just click Copy and share it with anyone you want to join your meeting through email or chat. As people join, you'll see them appear in the grid view. If you want to share your screen, look for the Share Screen icon at the bottom. It looks like a rectangle with an arrow. Click it. Choose whether to share your entire screen, a window, or a tab, and then click Share. When you're done hosting, simply click the red phone icon at the bottom to leave the call. And that's it. That's how to host a Google Meet meeting from your computer, start to finish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tutorials like this.